Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a registration form in Wix to collect information from visitors, whether you're setting up event signups, membership registrations, or newsletter subscriptions. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with a few options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website. This ensures you're working on the web version of your site rather than the mobile app view. Now you'll be taken to a page where you can see all your website settings displayed. Take a moment here to make sure that this is the correct website where you wish to add your registration form. If you manage multiple sites, this step is crucial to avoid making changes to the wrong project. Once you've confirmed you're on the right site, locate the Edit Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it to enter the editing interface. You'll now be directed to the Wix Harmony Editor screen, which is where all the design and customization magic happens. This is your workspace for adding and arranging elements on your site. Now look toward the top right corner of your screen and locate the button labeled Add Elements. It's marked with a plus sign, which makes it stand out. Click on this button to open up a menu of different elements you can add to your site. From the Add Elements menu, you'll see various categories for different types of content. Scroll through until you find the Forms and Contact menu, then click on it. This section contains all the tools you need to capture visitor information, from simple contact forms to detailed registration setups. Inside the Forms and Contact menu, you have two main options. You can either create a new form from scratch, which allows you to fully customize every field and detail of your registration form, or you can use a pre-made one that comes with the usual contact and sign-up requirements already built in. For this tutorial, we'll keep things simple and use a pre-made form which saves time and still looks professional. Now click on the Forms section within that menu. You'll see a variety of pre-made templates displayed. Scroll down until you find a relevant registration form that fits your needs. These templates are designed to cover common use cases, so you'll likely find something that matches what you're looking for. Once you've found the right one, simply click on it or drag it directly onto your website canvas to add it. You can then position it wherever you'd like on your page, whether that's at the top, middle, or bottom of your site layout. And that's it. You've successfully added a registration form to your Wix website, making it easy for visitors to sign up and share their information with you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.